What's going on, everybody? What's going on, Pa? Today we got this Sebring Orange Tintcoat ZR1. It's a 2019 6.2 liter supercharged V8, producing 755 horsepower, 715 pound of torque. This thing looks so aggressive, so mean. I want to get some good angles to get the low profile. Have a carbon fiber wing, carbon fiber roof. Carbon fiber side skirts, carbon fiber front lip, right here as in the hood you also have carbon fiber. Man, it looks so sleek, looks so good. You have a little bit of the vents also with carbon fiber. Man, this thing is fully spec'd out. For being a 2019, it also has a heads-up display, which absolutely looks insane, especially with this type of vehicle. This car just looks so aggressive. Has black interior, jet black interior. So we're gonna dive into the interior, see what else you guys might find interesting. So as we dive into the interior, you have orange stitching that complements the orange car, of course. You have Alcantara on the side, on the door panel. You have some carbon fiber with a competition logo and the Corvette sign. Man, this car is insane. Carbon fiber right here by the vents, as well as the steering wheel. Gonna hop straight in. Want to switch to modes, go ahead and change the drive select. You change it to track, you change it to sport, you could change it to tour. So you have this different drive selection, different modes. When you're on tour, you can't really hear the exhaust, but once you go ahead and put it in sport, you can hear it louder. It's really cool. It's really fascinating to see what Corvette has done with these ZR1s. Man, they're just super fast, super enjoyable to drive. The accents just look insane. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below of this ZR1. It's definitely been one of my favorite cars and Corvettes here at the dealership. And if you guys want to see more content like this, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe, comment down below which car you want to see next. And thank you guys so much for watching. Have a blessed day, and as always, stay safe. Peace.